Hello everybody and welcome to my e-lesson. I'm your guru, and in this video I will teach you how to create a speedometer in Excel. Just look over here how the needle goes up and down. See? As the value changes over here, the pointer moves between 0 to 100. See? This is so cool, you won't believe. And it's so very easy to make. All right. To make this, what we have to understand first is that we have to create actually two charts over here. The first chart would be using this data, which would be used to create this speedometer dial. All right. It has five components actually. Start point would be 0, and then the initial 15. This is the red part. This is the 15 part, and then the middle 45 part. This yellow one is the middle 45 part, and the last 40 is this green part, is the 40 part, and maximum speed is 100. That is what we are trying to achieve over here, that the total of these three is 100. All right, so achieve a perfect half circle. All right, and then there is a second chart that we have incorporated within this same chart, with which we have created this needle or pointer, for which we have used this data. All right, this value obviously indicates the value where we want to point the needle at. Like, say for example, if we want the needle to be at 98 or 89 or 54, sorry, mistake, 54 or 10, any which way. This pointer 1 is the actual size of this needle. That means it's consuming one cell to show this needle. All right. So, and this end, it is a calculating point to have the needle in balance and have it synchronized from the center. So this is actually a formula which is 200 minus the total of these two. 200 is actually the total of this, right? And the end is actually the total of this, which is 200 minus the total of this. All right. And now we'll go see how to create the speedometer. It's so very easy, you won't believe. All right. To create a speedometer, first we have to click on Insert, go to a donut chart. All right. Select Data, Series. Sorry. Click on Add, Speedometer. Series value would be all right. It's very simple to have this. All we need to do is just click on Insert and click and choose a donut chart that we did from here. All right. And once we have a donut chart, we need to move the data and get the data here. So we will get the data from Select Data, click on Add. It's asking for a series name, so this is the series name. And series value, well, these are the series values we need to choose. Okay. And now all we need to do is set the orientation right. How we can do it? We can do a right click, format data series, and now we can change the orientation. We want the orientation to look something like this. Yes. And now let's hide this. How we do that? Just fill it. Click on Fill and click on No Fill. And let's change the colors. This one should be green. And so fun to make. This one should be yellow. This one should be bright red. All right. There we go. We don't need this. Let's enlarge the size of the chart. All right. Now we need to click on design, select data, because we need to create the pointer. Select data, add, series name can be pointer, and the data would be this one. Click OK. All right. Now what we need, oh sorry, what did I do? Add, series name is pointer. This is another donut chart that is getting added to it, and the data range is this one. Click OK. OK. Now what we need to do is to convert it into a needle. We actually need to change the chart type. This outer chart type, it should be made into a pie chart. All right. And once it is a pie chart, we need to change its orientation also. Its orientation would be the same one as the as the donut chart, which was 270, right? This is it. And now what we need to do is click on this area, this green area, and click on fill and have no fill. So you have your donut back. Now just to get the pointer back, we need to just hide this blue part. How do we do that? Select the blue part, go to fill and have it no fill, and now we can turn the pointer to black. Select that, go to solid fill and make it black. Here it is, and we can actually have a data label to it. We can click on the data label, increase the data label size. All right, and while we are at it, we can actually make it variable. Just click inside the data label and go to the formula bar, type is equal to, and select this cell. So whatever would be mentioned here would automatically start reflecting here. And that's a speedometer chart. Isn't it awesome? You can actually play around with the layouts, give it a 3D look and all. So have fun. You can actually download this file and for practicing along from myelesson.org. So if you like this video, do click on like and share it across. So until the next video, this is your guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy learning.